Hi traders, we're back with Bank to Binaries ahead of the week report, covering the world's major investment events. Here's a quick recap of last week's main asset trends. The euro was up amid dollar weakness. The USD was down after worse than expected NFP results. The GBP was down on weaker manufacturing production results and Brexit woes. Gold was up as safe haven buying resumed amid doubts over the US economy. Oil was up on renewed production-free speculation. The event of the week's on Thursday with the Bank of England's interest rate decision. Brexit speculation shows no signs of dying down and the pound sterling could be impacted by the central bank's latest outlook on the UK's economic developments. There's an update of the CB leading economic index in the UK at 13:30 on Monday the 12th. Last seen at the level of minus 0.3%, the benchmark measures future trends in employment, new housing construction, stock prices and bond yields. Depending on the new results, there could be an impact on the GBP. The pound sterling gets more attention on Tuesday the 13th when the consumer price index is released at 08:30 GMT. Previously, the core inflation rate was at the level of 1.3% on a yearly basis, and the Bank of England is watching this indicator warily. If inflation starts rising too high because of the weaker GBP, there could be negative consequences. Combined with low interest rates, this could be a toxic influence on the UK's economy. It really is a week for the GBP because on Wednesday the 14th, the ILO unemployment rate is released at 08:30 with an expected impact on the UK's currency. Last seen at the level of 4.9%, unemployment is one of Great Britain's key economic indicators. Our trading event of the week is at 11 a.m. on Thursday the 15th when the Bank of England releases its interest rate decision and asset purchase budget. This is a market-moving event at the best of times, and now that the Brexit is hanging over the UK's economic and political future, it's even more important. The pound sterling is the asset to watch during this event, and the current interest rate is at 0.25%, with asset purchases at 435 billion GBP. On Friday the 16th, the focus switches to the USD with the release of the latest consumer price index for August at 12:30. Last seen at the level of 0.8% on an annual basis, the new results could impact the USD if there are any upside or downside surprises. Now on to our trading tip based on your frequently asked questions. What is a risk-reward ratio? Traders use a risk-reward ratio to judge their investments. It is basically the amount of profit expected versus the risk. The ratio is calculated by dividing the potential loss if the price moves in an unexpected direction by the amount of profit when the position is closed favourably. The results should be 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, according to most recommendations. Risk-reward strategies are an important part of risk management. Bank to Binaries on Facebook. Follow us for daily updates and expert articles about the international markets. Follow us on Twitter by searching for #TraderTip and check our economic calendar for more events. Thanks for watching. See you next week.